Welcome to the project demonstration of electromagnetic clutch. So here we are going to do the clutch operation of attaching and detaching these plates will be done with the help of the electromagnetic clutch. The ratings of this one is we are using 12 volts DC operated electromagnetic clutch which will consume the 8 amps of power and 5 kg of torque can be handled by this electromagnetic clutch. And also the stroke length for this one is 15 mm, 1.5 centimeters of stroke length for this one means the movement. So forward and backward motion will be done from this electromagnetic magnetic piston. So which will getting the power supply from this 12 volts to 12 volts output of 3 amps of current can be done from this step down transformer. So we are putting 230 volts AC input to that. So in real time, instead of this transformer, we can use a directly car battery, and now we are using this from this step down transformer which will take 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and the 12 volts AC is converted into 12 volts of DC with help of this KBL10 model rectifier ICs, and the output is DC. So the DC is input to this electromagnetic piston through this switch. So this switch is for the motor and this switch for the piston. So the output from this rectifier circuit to this piston through this switch, and output to the DC motor through this rectifier circuit, so which is providing the harmonics less DC output to operate this PMDC motor. We are using the permanent magnet DC motor which is of 7 ampere current consumed by this DC motor, and the RPM is going to be 30 RPM, so 30 rotations per minute is a rating of this DC motor we are using. So let us see the demonstration. So when we on this 230 volts input to that, so just we need to connect this plug to the 230 volts AC inputs, and then the power will be generated and step down to the 12 volts of AC, and 12 volts AC will convert to the 12 volts DC outputs, and that will be given to the vehicle section directly. So directly we can see this clutch plate was attached to the driving wheel and driven wheel. So when we want to detach when we want to apply the clutch operation, just pressing that, you can see the clutch operation was happened between the driving wheel and driven wheel. So it will be attaching. So the main purpose of this electromagnetic clutch is in two-wheelers, for like physically challenged person, just by using the button we can control this clutch instead of pressing the clutch manually. And mechanical clutch, we converted that mechanical clutch to the electronic clutch by just providing the switch supply to the clutch plates. So which is a flawless and contactless switching operation, and which is a harmless also. No need to apply any mechanical force to that. The mechanical force will be done with the help of this electromagnetic clutch to do the clutch operation.